So today we will be talking about one of the most important things when it comes to advertising on Facebook. It's not about the creatives or how to set up your campaign properly, but it's about the foundations that will make it possible for you to create the best ads possible, as well as scale most effectively and profitably on Meta. So today we'll be diving in the 5 different stages of the market awareness that you need to know about when you're scaling your e-commerce brands with Meta ads. And if you're new here, my name is Vincent and I started running ads around 2016, where I took an e-com brand from 50K a month to 150K a month on a consistent basis with Facebook ads and Google ads. Ever since then, I started my agency Chipper, where I help e-com brands scale with our identity hooking system all over the world while managing a 7-figure ad spend. So market awareness, of course, what is it? It's basically every single stage where a potential customer goes through before they buy your product or any product in the world. It basically captures your whole market that you need to address with the different types of ads in the different types of stages. And as you can see, there are 5 different stages, from unaware to most aware, or what I call it, brand aware. In general, around 60% of your market is in the unaware stage, 20% is in the problem aware stage, and 17% is in the information gathering mode, which is either the solution aware stage or the product aware stage, and only 3% of your whole entire market is ready to buy, which is in your brand awareness stage or your most aware stage. The problem with almost every single brand or client that we work with, and just generally with brands that are advertising on Facebook ads and Meta ads, is that they only focus on the ready to buy customers because they're the easiest levers to pull on day one or the lowest hanging fruit. But the biggest problem is every single brand is going for those 3% of their market. So for example, if you're selling supplements for acne, every other acne product is going for the 3%, and they're all screaming, hey, my product is the best, buy it, without even knowing what the product is about or what the problem will do for them. And the problem with that is that you're competing with a lot of different people, which makes the ad costs go up and which makes it more expensive for you to acquire customers, but it's also way harder for you to acquire customers because only 3%, it's not the most scalable part of the market, because 3% out of 100% is not ideal for your brand to scale. Now, the best thing for you to do to be the most scalable out of that 3% is to focus your advertising and your marketing activities around the problem aware and the solution aware stage, which is around 37% of your market. That is basically untapped, which makes it way easier for you to create ads, but also to attract new customers, because no single competitor is focusing on those markets, and you can educate them, which helps you increase your credibility. And when they want to buy the product or fix their problem, they will come to you because they know you, they don't know any other competitors, and they know your product, which makes them feel like they can trust you, see you as an expert, and basically get to buy from you. And once you are scaling and you know a lot more about your customer, with the feedback that you're getting, as well as like the research you're constantly doing, then you can branch out to the unaware stage, which is of course the hardest stage to create ads in. But if you nail that stage, you'll be able to scale your brand past new heights that you don't even know about. And today we'll be covering each stage, as well as the type of ads you need to create for you to get the most out of the stages, as well as scale past that 3% that is ready to buy into new untapped markets for you and crush your competition. So let's get ready, take some notes, because these are foundations for you to create really good ads on Meta or any other platform. So let's dive right into it. So the first stage is the unaware stage. The unaware stage is the largest part of your market, which, like I said, is around 60% of your market. And these are the people that want to have a big win. So for example, earn $1 million, or they resent something, so they're not happy with the situation or the position that they're in right now. These people, they don't know the problem yet. So if you try to sell them something, they don't even care, because they don't even know that they have the problem or that they need a solution to fix their problem or get out of the situation where they're in right now. For example, if you're selling a posture correction chair, you will not advertise it by saying, buy our ergonomic chair, it helps you with back pain, because they don't even know they have back pain issues yet. The right way to do it is by saying, do you know that by sitting down every single day, you can permanently damage your spine? And by doing this, you plant a seed inside of their brain and they start thinking about the situation they're in right now and what might be causing their back pain in the future or the issues that they have at the moment already. So you plant a seed and then they start thinking, they click through, they start reading about the product and your brand, which again elevates your credibility and makes it easier for you in the future. Basically, you need to educate them first by creating content that will make them aware of their problem. And the main reason why a lot of brands don't do this is because it takes a lot of time to educate a prospect as well as like a lot of money. But what you can do is either create advertorials or listicles where you take them through the whole process from unaware to problem aware to solution aware, product aware, and brand aware on that landing page, basically through the whole process, and offer a solution at the end, which is of course your product. The second stage is a problem aware stage. In this stage, they know that they have a problem, but they don't know the solution yet. So they're basically searching for answers to fix their problem. So for example, someone who's struggling with acne, it's a really big market. Don't advertise by saying, hey, buy our acne serum because we're the best. They don't even know that skincare is the right solution yet. It might even be their diet or the way they use different makeups or that they're eating greasy foods, you know. The right thing to do is advertise by saying, are you tired of having breakouts that won't go away? Here is why your skin might not be clearing up. Again, it piques their intrigue because they have a problem, which is breakouts that don't go away. And here is a solution on how we can fix it. So you start off with the problem, you offer a solution, which piques their intrigue and their curiosity. They click through, they see their page, you go through it again, and they buy your product. So you're basically talking about their pain points and you show them the solutions and what type of solutions exist. Again, use a lot of case studies, testimonials, and social proof, which even increases your level of authority even more. So the third one is the solution aware stage. They know that solutions exist, but they don't know which one is the right one for them or which one they will choose. So they start comparing your product to your competitors. So for example, someone's looking for a way to lose weight. Again, huge market, a lot of different solutions out there. So don't say, we sell the best weight loss program in the whole world, we'll help you lose X amount of weight. They don't even know what is different between your program compared to supplements, compared to like liposuctions or anything. The right way to do it is like, why low carb diets work better than low fat diets for losing belly fats. So again, you position your solution as the best one on the market and yourself as the expert. So they click through it because you're comparing them your product versus another one. That's why in this stage, us versus them ads work tremendously well. So you're focusing on why your solution is different from the rest. So you use a lot of comparisons, a lot of benefits, as well as like expert opinions. Some celebrity UGC videos might work well, or celebrity testimonials, again, or normal testimonials, and use us versus them ads because they work super great in this stage. So the fourth stage is a product aware stage. They know your product, but they aren't convinced yet that it's the best choice. They still need a reason to trust you even more. So for example, you're selling a Facebook ads course. The wrong thing to say is like, hey, sign up now for my Facebook ads course, because they still have doubts. The right thing to say is, our students have generated over $1 million in sales just by using our exact ad strategies. For that, you use proof of screenshots of the different ad channels, or like, again, results befores and afters. And that way you're using, again, a lot of testimonials. You might even plug in a guarantee, and you convey the clear benefits that they will get from you, as well as like the end goal that they will be able to get with your product. The last stage is the most aware one. Of course, they know your product, they know who you are. They already want your product, but they might be still hesitating. So they need a final push. That is basically where promotions come in. So don't say like, if you're selling phones, hey, check out, this is the iPhone 15, because they already know about it. They just need another push, like a promotion. So for example, trade in your old iPhone today and get $200 off just for a limited time. That way you're using urgency plus your offer, which is basically getting them to buy your thing which is the action part. So use a lot of urgency, special offers, as well as like bonuses in this stage to push them over to buy your product. Now that you know all the different stages and how to approach them, you of course want to know how you'll be able to integrate this and implement this inside of your own video ads and your image ads. With video ads, it's pretty simple. You just literally take them through all the different stages inside of your video. So for example, if you're doing an unaware video, these are the longest, but you go from the unaware stage, you literally talk about the unaware stage, then you talk about the problem aware stage, solution that you might be offering, as well as the product, and then aware. It might be an ad of like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, but you take them through the whole stage basically, which piques their intrigue. Then for example, for a solution aware ad, you do solution aware stage, talking about it, product aware, and then aware stage. That's how it basically layers. So you have unaware, problem aware, solution aware, product aware. Then if you want to make an ad around the problem aware, you do problem aware, solution aware, product aware. Then if you want to have a solution aware ad, you start with the solution aware stage, then the product aware and aware. Product aware, you do product aware, and aware is just aware. Like I said, trade in your iPhone today, get $200 off, as well as like free shipping or something, only for a limited time. That way you can implement it inside of your video ads. For photo ads, it's a bit different because you're not able to put a lot of text on the photos or convey them through the whole stage. You basically take a photo of the stage you're in. So for example, problem where if they have back pain, you take a photo of someone or use a photo of someone that has back pain with a headline, a problem aware headline, or even a solution aware headline, and you basically use the body copy of the ad and the landing page to get them through the different stages. So from problem aware, you use that photo, solution aware in the body copy, as well as like product aware, as well as the aware stage, and the same thing on your landing page. That way you take them through all the different stages, and basically the body copy does all the heavy lifting for you. Now, I hope this helps and that you will go after this video, go and implement it inside of your own next creative batch. And if you want more help with setting up your ads or us managing your ads and get some advice to scale to 6 or 7 figures, then just go ahead, book a time or a call with me in the link down below, and we'll work with you one-on-one to help you scale your brand while staying profitable. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.